Guys, the volcano update is here. Look, there's a volcano. This is sick. And you can like make it erupt by throwing these rocks in it. Look. Oh my gosh, that makes a weird noise. Not sure if I like that. Oh crap. What's happening? What's happening? Oh crap, that's lava. I'm not sure if I like that. I said I'm not sure if I like that. No, I'm okay. Okay, the surrounding area just got covered in lava. I don't know what's happening with the ceiling up there, but let's go check out the new cosmetics. Forest lava. Oh my gosh. A little lava hat. Lava rocket seems. Chili pepper. Ooh, what's happening to me? I'm all glowy. So we got this. Shoo! Show! Okay, that's cool. We got a parrot. What's the parrot do? Oh, is it one of those squeaky things? If I could grab it. If I could grab. Self-defense. Oh, these are cool. Okay, burn shirt. I love that. This and this. Don't worry, we're here to help. Yeah, these are all pretty cool. And a hammer? What does a hammer do? Oh wait, it's not physical. The day that girl tag makes their objects physical. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and make sure to check out the new update with all the lava and stuff. Thanks for watching, bye.